Hi everybody and welcome. Today I'm going to tell you how to add your Teufel Real Headphones to the smartphone application. So at first we have to install this application. To do so we have to enter the Play Store and search for the Teufel Go application. As this one, Teufel Go. We have to click the install button. It may take a while, so don't worry. It depends on your internet connection on your phone. Now our application is installed, we have to tap open. Here we have to tap I'm aware of the privacy policy and tap OK, let's get started. We have to grant permissions, such as Bluetooth permissions and etc. As you can see, my application crashed, so we have to reopen it. And the application should automatically find our headphones and connect with them if they are in pairing out or connected with your phone. Here we can choose our color, which is pearl white, and all done. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.